How to redeem Denny's birthday reward. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Denny's birthday reward. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To obtain a complimentary birthday offer from Denny's, you can follow these steps. First, sign up for Denny's reward program. To do that, visit the Denny's website or download their mobile app and sign up for their rewards program. During the signing up process, you will need to provide your name, email address, and birth date. Now, add your birthday. Make sure to add your birth date to your Denny's Rewards account. This will ensure that you receive the birthday offer during your birthday month. Next, receive your birthday coupon. Once you have signed up for Denny's Rewards program and added your birth date, you will receive a coupon for free birthday breakfast. The coupon is typically for a free original Grand Slam meal, which includes eggs, bacon or sausage, pancakes or French toast, and a biscuit or gravy. Now, check your email. Keep an eye on your email inbox near your birth date. Denny's will send you the coupon for your complimentary birthday offer. Make sure to check your spam or promotion folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. Now, redeem your birthday offer. To redeem your complimentary birthday offer, visit a participating Denny's restaurant during your birthday month. Present the QR code from your digital wallet when checking out to claim your birthday breakfast for free. Please note that the offer is valid for dine-in only. So, this is how you can redeem Denny's birthday reward. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.